Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know the features that are available on your Llyods online banking account. As of the update, Llyods Bank offers a range of features on its mobile banking app, allowing customers to manage their finances conveniently from their mobile device. Here are some of the key features typically available on Llyods Bank mobile app. So first of all, you need to open up your application, or you could also use a web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So first of all, if you talk about account management, you can view account balances, transaction histories, and details of your individual transaction for current account, savings, credit cards, and other Llyods bank product. And regarding the transfer and payment, so you could transfer money between your own account, make payments to existing pay, set up new pay for future payments, and manage standing orders and direct debit as well. And likewise, some version of the app offer mobile check deposit functionality, allowing customers to deposit checks by taking photos of them with their mobile device itself. And if you have a compatible device, you may be able to use the Llyods Bank app contactless payment via Apple Pay or Google Pay as well. And talking about the security features, the app typically includes security features such as biometric login, example fingerprint or facial recognition, and the ability to set up alert for certain type of transaction or account activity as well. And if you wish to go with the management tools, some version of the app may include additional tools and features for managing finances such as budgeting tools, spending analysis, and goal settings as well. You could also access customer support feature including FAQs, help article, and contact option for reaching Llyods Bank customer service representative. Managing your debit card, credit card through the app include activating new card, reporting lost or stolen card, and setting up a card contact as well. So these are some of the basic features that's available in Llyods online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.